Vizard lets you turn a single long video into an entire month of social content using nothing but your smartphone. I recently uploaded a 12-minute sit-down video and Vizard spit out a huge stack of ready-to-post clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts in under 10 minutes. There is absolutely no need for a laptop, no tedious timeline scrubbing for hours, and definitely no paying an expensive editor. If you make videos and want more reach without burning your entire week, stick around because I will walk you through exactly how to do it. I'll even share the specific tricks I use to make those clips actually go viral. Quick heads up, I caught a cold at Friendsgiving, so I might be blowing my nose between takes, but I still have plenty of juice to show you how this works. Step 1. Get the Vizard app on your phone, which is readily available on both iOS and Android. I will drop the link in the description of this video, or you can just search for Vizard in your app store right now. You definitely want the mobile app and not the desktop version, because the whole point here is speed and utilizing your phone camera. We record on the phone, edit right on the phone, and schedule everything from the phone so you never have to bounce files around. Open the app and pick the long video you want to chop up. I'm using a product walkthrough I filmed earlier of me demoing a diffuser, but you can use a podcast, a tutorial, or a live stream. The real magic is that Vizard's AI looks for the punchiest moments like strong hooks, emotional beats, and those little micro stories your audience loves. Choose the auto edit option and select the vibe you want, like a snappy hook, educational, or meme pacing. For this specific walkthrough, I picked the snappy hook preset because mobile viewers usually decide within the first second. Upload the raw footage and hit generate, and it will take a minute or two to analyze the audio and assemble a bunch of micro clips. Now here's the key, you still have to look at the AI's picks because you should never blindly post everything. The first time out, I got some gold and some duds. It found the exact moment I said the funniest line and turned it into a 15-second clip that would kill on TikTok. It also pulled a slow 45-second explanation that just made for a poor short, so I trimmed it. Pro tip, if a clip feels off, just tell Vizard the issue like saying it needs a stronger hook and it will reprocess that clip only. Why use your phone camera for this whole thing? Because you naturally get multiple micro moments like close-ups and reaction shots. Vizard uses those visual cues to create cutaways and B-roll automatically. If you record only a static talking head, the AI still works, but you get fewer interesting vertical clips. So while you watch this, try recording a short extra angle, like a close-up of the product or a quick POV, and upload them with the main video. It dramatically improves the final output. So I did exactly that. I uploaded the main walkthrough and 3 short handheld detail clips. Vizard used those to create clean vertical clips with nice cutaways and natural pacing. Next, we start fine-tuning for platform fit. Vizard makes this easy. Pick your target platforms, and it will generate platform-specific versions automatically. Want a 9:16 hook for TikTok and a 1:1 for the Instagram feed? It is already done. It automatically crops, rescales, and repositions critical on-screen elements so your face and important visuals stay in frame. I also use the captioning tool to generate accurate captions from the transcript. You can tweak the caption text to add personality or a call to action. I changed one auto caption from ultra quiet to whisper quiet because it fits the brand voice better. Now the part where most people get stuck, distribution. Editing is only half the work, but Vizard's auto schedule is where it really shines. Tell it your desired posting frequency and the AI will draft a complete posting plan. It chooses ideal times and spaces similar clips across days to avoid cannibalization. You don't have to babysit a scheduler or manually upload files to each platform. Pair that with the content calendar and you get one interface to see everything. Drag clips to different days, swap thumbnails, and edit captions, and the scheduler updates automatically. It is the difference between juggling 10 tabs and actually running your social like a pro. I want to be honest about limits and rough patches because this is how you get better results. One clip Vizard made looked a little off with the product looking too large in the frame. The fix is simple though. Just re-upload a scale reference clip, like your hand holding the product, and ask Vizard to regenerate. Sometimes a new session removes whatever context confused the AI, so don't be afraid to start fresh. Speaking of graphics and text overlays, Vizard's built-in templates are clean, but you can also upload a reference image to match a specific vibe. Let's compare, so you know why Vizard is my go-to. CapCut is free and powerful for manual editing, but it still requires cutting and exporting for each platform. Descript is brilliant for transcript editing, but it doesn't have a native social scheduler or the same level of automatic vertical cropping. Vizard bundles auto editing, scheduling, and calendar management in one flow, which is a huge time saver. There is a free tier which is great to test, but you will hit limits quickly if you are producing at scale. The Pro plan is reasonably priced and it removes limits, unlocks bulk generation, and gives you better scheduling windows. Okay, a couple practical do's and don'ts. Do upload extra micro moments like close-ups and hand shots. Don't try to fix every tiny issue in one pass. Tackle one problem at a time, like scale, then color, then captions. Do use reference clips for style so that AI knows the vibe you are going for without you having to copy it verbatim. At the end of my session, I had a complete set. A primary hook clip, 2 lifestyle shorts, and a product demo edit. Total hands-on time was about 10 to 12 minutes, including trimming and choosing posting times. If you were to do that with a freelancer, it would take hours and cost way more money. I also made a full prompt guide that walks through exactly the commands and little phrases I use to coax the best outputs from Vizard. Bottom line, if you want to turn long-form videos into consistent, high-quality short content, Vizard is a total game changer. It is not perfect, but the time saved and the posting automation alone make it worth trying. If you want, follow along with this exact project and try it yourself today. Download Vizard, upload a long video, pick auto edit, and come back and tell me which clip surprised you the most. Okay, I gotta go blow my nose, but I will link to that guide below. See you over there. And if you make something awesome, tag me so I can rewatch it and steal ideas for my next batch.